Hi everyone, it's Kathy and I'm back with another reveal video. Today I'll be sharing the Slimline Wobbly Windows die. It measures 8¼ inches long and 3¼ inches wide. It's a really fun die. It has stitching all the way around the edge as well as stitching around each of those cutout circles. The top cutout circle measures about 1½ inches by 1¾ inches. The second cutout measures about 2 by 2 inches, and the third measures 1½ by 1¾ inches. I do have a sample to share with you where I used the new Dead Dolly stamp set. I had a lot of fun doing all the ink blending and the splattering all over the background. I think this is a really fun die. It could be used for a shaker card, or you could have critters peeking out from the window cutouts. Anyway, that wraps up this reveal video. For more inspiration, head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. For more information about the products used, head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website. We'd love to have you join us over on Instagram and our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.